Number 25, I can see this question is repeated many times in, many bundles. Okay, let's understand. Which of the following expression has a factor of x plus 2b where b is a positive integer constant? Okay, now if I just want to factorize it, let's say 3x squared plus 7x plus 14b, right? And its factors are 3x plus 7 and x plus 2b, right? Okay, now we have to guess the value of b. Now, if I just multiply the two equations, 3x, x plus 2b, and plus 7, x plus 2b, so this is 3x squared plus 3 to the 6 bx plus 7x plus 14b, and 3x squared plus, if you take x common, the opposite of distributive property, plus 7 plus 14b. Now, why I have done this? Because 14b is everywhere. 3x squared is also in all the equations. Now this 7 plus 6b or 6b plus 7 can be 7, 28, 42 or 49. So we have to check from the options which is the most suitable one for this. Okay, so 7 plus 6b can be 7, 28, 42 and 49 can be equal to 7 or 28 or 42 or 49. So if I, okay, let's write all of these. Now if I take the first one, so that means subtracting 7 on both sides, 6b is equal to 0. So b is equal to 0. Now if I solve the second one, so 6b is equal to 21, and this implies that b is equal to 21 by 6. If I solve the third one, subtracting 7 on both sides, 6b is equal to 35. This implies that b is equal to 35 by 6. And if I solve the fourth one, then 6b is equal to 42, and this implies that b is equal to 7. So this is the only value which is giving me an integer. We need b as a positive integer. So that means here options are helping me to find out that when coefficient of x is 49, b is a positive integer. So that means D is the right option. Now let me tell you, I am using this sign in between. What is the meaning of this sign? Let's take this as equation 1. Now this is an equation, right? And I am using single line to write all of these. Or even if I use different lines, I cannot put equal to sign here because this is already a part of the equation. So this sign is known as this implies that. If 7 plus 6b is equal to 7, this implies that 6b is equal to 0 or b is equal to 0. I'm just solving the equation and this is the next step, right? Practice this question many times. Maybe again you will find patterns because every time I solve the questions I always say try to see the patterns, try to see the patterns, try to see the concept, because these are the real hero in the questions.